Hi there. Welcome to Spiritual Development in the Arms of Your Guardian Angel. You're taking a wonderful step today. Learning more about your guardian angel, becoming more connected and aware of their presence is something which will transform your life. Okay? Your guardian angel is your gateway to all of the other angels. So if you want to work with the archangels, the most wonderful place to begin that is with your guardian angel. Your guardian angel is always with you. Your guardian angel never leaves your side. So from the moment that you were conceived, all the way through that wonderful growing period in your mother's womb, all the way through birth, all the way through childhood and adulthood, all the way until you pass over into heaven, your guardian angel is by your side. They never leave. They never want to leave. They don't have any other business to attend to elsewhere. They are always, always by your side. And just accepting that is the very first stage to developing a relationship with them. Knowing, accepting that there is a light being, an energy, a wonderful love tone that is with you constantly and by your side is the very first step that you're going to take. And accepting that and developing your awareness of that is the secret to spiritual development in the arms of your guardian angel. So this is the first week of 4 weeks of spiritual development with your guardian angel. Each week I'm going to take you through a different subject area, and you're going to become much more confident about talking to your guardian angel. You're going to become much more confident about asking your guardian angel questions. You may receive a name. You may become clearer about what they look like to you, certainly how they feel to you. And you're going to begin to develop a wonderful relationship that will be with you for your whole life, and that will help you to get the guidance that you want in your life, will help you to get the answers that you want, will help you to make good decisions. My guardian angel is called Trazan, and Trazan has been so helpful to me in my life in so many ways. When you don't know which archangel to call, when you want to have a conversation with somebody that you know can help and is there instantaneously, because they always are, talk to your guardian angel. So we're going to take you through this week on week. I'm going to help you to really develop your relationship with your guardian angel so that they become familiar to you, so that you have a relaxed relationship with your guardian angel. And throughout the weeks, we're going to look at areas where there might be blocks to your spiritual development. So each week there'll be homework for you to do, and this week it will focus on spiritual blocks, stuff that maybe doesn't make sense to you on a rational level but is blocking your spiritual development. And that's something that you can do that will really supplement the work that we do together week on week. Okay, so looking at your handout notes now, we're going to look at page 2 to begin with. Page 2, week 1, connecting with your guardian angel. Awareness is really important, even very, very subtle awareness, even an idea, even something which may have appeared in a dream or something which you create in your imagination. The imagination is a very powerful tool that is very underused. And it's underestimated for its spiritual dimension. Imagination is a wonderful creative environment through which the angels can communicate with you. But it's something that as adults we very often close down. So anything that can help you to become more imaginative, more creative, more open is really what imagination is about. More open in your thoughts, and the energy and the ideas that come to you is really going to benefit you. What I'd like you to do is, I'd like you to start by thinking about your awareness of your guardian angel. Okay, this is page 2 of your notes. So, have you ever felt them with you? Have you ever had a sense that there's an energy with you looking after you? Maybe you've had an accident. Maybe there have been things that have happened in your life and you've walked away thinking, how did that happen? Maybe you don't feel your guardian angel, and maybe this is your very first step into working with your guardian angel and finding out more about them. If that's so, think about how you would like the energy of your guardian angel to feel to you. Think about any feelings that you have, any loving sensations inside of yourself that come from your heart are your guardian angel's way of communicating with you. They're your guardian angel's way of opening. Spiritual development is all about opening, okay? Opening your heart, feeling more loving, being less guarded. That doesn't mean that you put yourself in danger or that you're vulnerable, but it means that you learn to let your defenses down. Your defenses are created by your mind, and your mind is the most challenging obstacle to spiritual development. The mind is logical. The mind requires proof and evidence, but that isn't the way that spiritual development works. It works the reverse. You need to have faith. You need to be open. You'll learn a tremendous amount about yourself throughout this journey. So openness, being receptive, knowing that your guardian angel is right by your side now and so excited about being with you and so thrilled that you're going to be enjoying this journey together is the very first step to opening. So just take a moment, write down any awareness that you have or any feelings that you have about the relationship that you would like to have with your guardian angel. Maybe you've got a particular colour that you're really drawn to and that you love. Very often that's your guardian angel communicating with you, showing you their colours. Maybe the whole of your home is decorated in a particular way. You have a particular preference on the way that you like to style your home, or that's always your guardian angel, exterior influences, trying to help you, trying to give you a sense of them. Your guardian angel will feel very familiar. They might feel a bit like you because they're right by you. You're inseparable. You're together for your whole lives. So on page 2, I'd like you to just think about what your awareness is of your guardian angel, how you would like to feel about your guardian angel, what you would like maybe your relationship to be like. Be open about this. There's no right and wrong. Be free flow. So take at least 5 minutes or longer. Pause this recording and write down page 2, my awareness of my guardian angel is, how it is and how you would like it to be. And I'll be waiting for you when you come back.